Hello students, hope you are well and stay safe at your home. Today's our subject is housekeeping and we will learn about inventory and power stock. These two subjects and these two important subjects which is we will teach here today. Now let's start with our first topic, inventory. Okay, what is inventory and what are the importance of inventory in any organization, especially in our hotel industry? The terms inventory means the calculating the terms inventory means the calculation of our operating supplies stock and our equipment and our items which is used on daily wise and the total amount, the available total amount which is going to use in future. अभी हमारे पास प्रेजेंट में ऑपरेटिंग स्टॉक कितना होता है, वो कितना स्टॉक है और फ्यूचर के लिए वो कितना अवेलेबल है, वो कितने टाइम तक सस्टेन कर सकता है, इस चीज़ का काउंट करना इन्वेंट्री कहलाता है. जनरली इन्वेंट्री इज कंडक्ट इन 1 month और in 3 months. It's depend on hotels to hotels. Inventory method and inventory schedule is depend on the hotel to hotel method and hotel to hotel standard. It is generally conducted in 1 month or 3 months. Generally, inventory classified in 2 ways. First is cycle inventory. Second is recycle inventory. Cycle inventory means which equipments or items those are using in present scenario and we are able to use in it again. वो आइटम्स जो हम अभी यूज कर रहे हैं लेकिन उसी आइटम को हम वापस से फ्यूचर में फिर से यूज कर सकते हैं, वो होता है रिसाइकिल इन्वेंट्री. नॉन रिसाइकिल इन्वेंट्री मीन्स particular items or particular equipments which are unable to use in second time. It can be usable only for one time. After one time use, it is unable to use again or in future. Now some articles and items and equipments, those are included in recycle inventory. First, uniform. Hotel staff or departments. Hotel staff uniform is mentioned in recycle inventory. It is used again and again on daily wise. Second is machineries and equipments. Machinery may be manual equipments and electronics machines which are included in cycle inventory. It is used on daily wise and we can use it again and again. Furniture is the long lasting item. We place it once in particular places and it is sustained for a long time. Now talk about non-recycle inventory. In this category, we include first of all guest supplies. What are the main guest supplies? Guest supplies like soap, shampoo, conditioner, shower cap, shaving kit, dental kits, and so on. Many things. Those are included in our guest supplies. Now, second is cleaning agent. Cleaning agents means cleaning chemicals. Those are using on daily wise in our housekeeping department. Even others department also use. Our cleaning agent, like which are used in housekeeping department, in other department also, like our tasking R1, R2, R3, like this. Now coming stationery. Stationery is perishable item also. It is included in non-recycle inventory. Okay. So there is two types of inventory we already explained. First is the cycle, second is non-recycle inventory. Now we will talk about par stock. Par stock. Par stock. The word par stock means extra minimum required stock in our department. Every department have separate par stock for particular item which are using in particular department. We talk about our housekeeping department, the par stock. Par stock, the word par stock means extra minimum required stock. What is extra minimum required stock? Suppose we have a hotel with 100 rooms. Suppose we have 100 rooms property, and generally as per required we need per room 2 bed sheet. So generally our requirement it will be 200, but now we are talking about par stock. The additional stock after 200, 100 or 200, it will be additional stock. This additional stock now is a par stock. In par stock, we have one more stock. It will be according to our room number. Suppose we have a property with 100 rooms, so we must have 100 bed sheet in extra. Suppose we have a hotel with 100 rooms, so it is very important to keep number of 300 of bed sheets. It is called par stock. The cycle of this bed sheet first will be in room, second will be in our garbage bag or laundry, and this third par stock it will be keep in safe for any emergency situation. It called a par stock. This stock in this stock we include our linen like bed sheet, single bed sheet, double bed sheet, and pillow covers, duvet, bathroom linen like towels, wedding towels, face towel, hand towel, and so on. Not only linen, even waste supply also included in par stock. Uniform is also included in par stock, and our cleaning agents also included in par stock. Okay, so today's we discussed about inventory and par stock. Hope you enjoyed this video and learn about.